Okay, we got the Fimi Mini 3 here, and we're going to do a panorama shot. Let's get it up in the air so we can talk about it better. Boom. And we've still got quite a bit, 44 gigs left on the card. Let's go straight forward by us. Boom. There we go, forward. And we turn around. Okay, it's quite windy. Everything's on 0. Here's the video. Boink. Okay. Fimi Mini 3. Done a lot of flights with it, a lot of things. This is for a panorama. It's very windy. Don't know what's going to happen. We're just going to go up above the house, point it out, see what it does. Does it flip up? Does it go down? What happens with it? Okay. Does it produce it by itself, or do you have to produce it later? Let's have a look. Okay. There's some uh, workarounds for that. So let's just get up there. Let's go this way. And we'll go up over. It's windy. I'm going to get up over that. Forward more. Here we go. Let's get up to at least 25 to get a panorama. So there we go, 25. Okay, come this way. Let's just aim it at center house there. We're dead. Rule of thirds. Stop that. Okay, we're going to go into the quick shots. No, we're going to go to panorama, and we're going to go horizontal. Horizontal, okay? Horizontal. The camera automatically takes panoramic photos. Select the item after shooting. You need to go to the album to complete it. Okay, let's go. Boomer. 3, 2, 1. So it kind of makes it horizontally correct. It's 2 of 7. Okay, take 7 pictures. So there's 7, 6, 7. What happens if I don't want it horizontal? Done? Okay. What if I want to come it down? If I want it to take it this way. Okay. If I want to take it there. Okay. What happens then? Boom. It brings it back up again. So we're going to go through that again. I've 91%. I've got the LiPo battery, and somebody said there's no difference between a LiPo and a lithium-ion battery. They're all lithium-ion polymers. Don't know the science behind it, but I have 2 batteries here that look exactly not the same. So there you go. One's a LiPo, one's a lithium-ion. I don't know. Anyway, here we go. That was number 7. Okay, we're going to come down. I'm going to come back, and we're going to do this other one here. Here we go. We're going to go into here. We're going to go into wide. Okay, that's wide. And you have to go into that afterwards. Okay, let's go wide. Now we're aiming at the house. What happens? 3, 2, 1. Should take 12 pictures, I believe. It's going to go up. 12 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 layers of 4. Okay. Whoa. 5, 6, 7. And I've got 8 megapixel. I believe it's 8 megapixels. 12. And even lower. What the heck? Well, we're going to do another one. We're going to do another one. We'll go really high. See if it lowers it this time. 11. I don't see why you're taking a shot that low. Wow, and that brightens it up, doesn't it? So let's come back up. Bring that back up to where we're supposed to be. Come back. Okay, here we go. Strong winds, yes. So we're going to go and raise that up to there, the halfway point, and go boomer. See what happens. 3, 2, 1. And it keeps it up there. So if you do the wide one, it keeps it up. So we've got lots of sky. You see it up there. It's still doing pretty good. Well, I guess. I don't know. Then it comes down to that one. Whoa. Don't know. Maybe. Maybe I'll have to start really, really high. because that doesn't look good. It doesn't look right. I don't know. We'll have to have a look. Don't know why it would take them that low. And that's at 44% degree, 44 degree on the, wow. So up we go to, how high can we go? We can go that high. Okay, back up we go. Where's the house? There it is. There it is. Okay, we're gonna go full high. There we go, and start. 3, 2, 1. There it is. 1 of 12. 2, 3, and I'll show you what you have to do to get a panorama to be created by this application, I guess it is, in-house, so to speak. The last time I did it, it took forever. And I have noticed that the white balance is kind of out, so I don't really know what they're going to do because it's darker in some areas than others. So not something I generally use. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, see, now it lightens up again. I don't know what it's doing, but anyway. So let's get that camera up. Oh, I took a video. Sorry, oops. So we're there. Okay, we're starting the video again. Here we go. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop that video. Okay, I'm going to switch over to the thingy, photo, and I'm going to take my own. Okay, so I'm going to go left. I'm going to go picture. And then I'm going to go about halfway. Picture. Then we're going to go halfway. Picture. It's 3. I'm going halfway again. So I've taken 4 or 5 pictures. There we go. And we're going to put that together. Anyway, let's go back over. And video. Back we go. Start the video. And we're going to come back home. Come on down. Here we go. Come on down. It's windy up there, I'll tell you. There we go. Okay. Here we go. Come on closer. There we go. A little higher up. Oh, hi, puppy. Hey, puppy. Hi, Penny. How are you? We know her name's Penny now, don't we? Where's Chew? Here, Chew. Come here. Come. Come here. Good girl. This one's Chewy. She's coming over now. There's Chew. Chewy, Penny. Say hi. There we go. Okay. Fimi Mini 3. It's getting blown around because it's really, really windy here, okay? Did the panoramas. Going to see what happens. I'm going to, you would have already seen them because I'm going to put them in at the end of them. You would already see them, see how they come. The easy way is throw them into something like Power Director or PQI, whatever. I'll show you the name of the program, and they just make them easily, okay? If you do them in the program here, okay, so if I go, I have to stop. I'll stop the video for a second, okay? Going to here, the album, okay? I have to go into the panorama stuff, and you have to download it all. Okay, like that one. No, that's an MP4. Sorry. 3.5 megs, 3.5 megs. Where's the 1, 2, 3, 4? Okay, this one here, 58 megs. If I went to that, oh no, didn't do. 14. 1, 2. Yeah, okay, if I did this one, click download, download. Okay, this is how long it takes. It's just 7 images only. Okay? 7 images. To do 12 would be almost 3 times as long, believe it or not. Oh, I can't do that. That may be copyrighted, so you can't whistle along when you're making a video. And we're still waiting. We're still waiting. We're still waiting, and it's just sitting there. And the wings calmed down a little bit, so that's pretty good. And we're still waiting. It's only done 4 images so far. It downloads them to your phone or to the tablet. And we're still going to wonder about what's going to happen with the timestamp. Okay. The irony is, I've got to look at it on here, what app version this is. I didn't ask for an update, okay, but I know the newest version is 1.1.36. The one that I did put on here was 1.1.34. So it's going to be interesting to see if it automatically updated it or if it didn't. And I'm going to look at that. Okay, so we've done 6 images so far, and this was of just the 7 image, the very first panorama that we did. Okay, and I would say, just for the sake, now it's composing it. Oh my goodness. I mean, you drag the 7 images into the, I think it's called PTQ or something, the program, and it's done in like seconds. The other one is Microsoft ICE, and that just takes seconds. And if you've got 50% overlap, it's going to stitch them together in seconds. Okay, this is basically it right here. So there you go. So we're going to go back. We've got that. It should be on the card, or it should be on the plane or craft or whatever. We're going to see what it looks like compared to the other ones. Let's take the video again. There we go. So puppies are still, puppy, 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 come here. Come here. Come here. Chewy. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Paw. That's a good girl. Sit. There you go. Okay. Go play. Don't kill each other, but anyway. Excuse me. Guys. 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 Cut it out. Okay? Cut it out. There we go. I don't know. There we, oh, where do we go? Okay, come back here and go that way. There we go. Okay, come back here. There we go. Okay. They're worse than kids. They love play fighting, but I'm hoping they don't get too vicious or too rambunctious. You know, but they love it out here. Anyway, where was it? Oh, Panorama, yeah. So you saw that Panorama being made, okay? It does take a long time. If you do that big one with 12, it takes forever. And it's just, for me, it's impossible. It's like 12 minutes of battery time. So once you finish the battery, now we're down to 56%. If you had the 12 to do, it would be almost empty. So there you go, okay? That's the Panorama. Done all of them. Seen them all. What are they like? Don't forget, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring that bell. If you want, buy me a coffee. And again, thanks to everybody that's donated recently, and it's been just amazing, appreciative. I can't get over it. Thank you very much, okay? Take care. See you next time. Bye now.